Hi there, my name is Frode. I'm a partner in an aviation consulting firm in Vancouver, BC, Canada. I joined the Investment Accelerator about 6 months ago or so, and I recently closed out a couple of trades. One was CEAE that I held for about 160 days, sold with a profit about 38%. The other one was AXP, which is American Express. That was an option. It only took 5 days to sell that, and that yielded a profit of 54.6%. So, needless to say, in my view, a membership is definitely worth it. Just on that CAE trade alone, I paid for the whole course. Just another note to complete this video. The course itself is great. You can go through it in a couple of weeks if you want. But I find the real value is in the weekly coaching calls and the Facebook community, where everybody can share ideas. There's no competition here between the members, if you like. We share some ideas, we share some analysis, discuss things that everybody can benefit from. So I hope you like this, and have a great day.